Phishing is a form of cyber attack that has become increasingly sophisticated over the years. It involves attackers attempting to deceive individuals into providing sensitive information, often by masquerading as a trustworthy entity. This type of attack can have devastating consequences for both individuals and organizations. Attackers attempt to steal sensitive information such as usernames, passwords, and credit card details. They often use this information to commit identity theft, financial fraud, or to gain unauthorized access to systems and networks. This information can include usernames, passwords, and credit card details. Once obtained, this data can be sold on the dark web or used to make unauthorized purchases, leading to significant financial loss and emotional distress for the victims. Think banks, government agencies, or popular websites. These are the types of entities that people are accustomed to receiving communications from, making it easier for attackers to blend in and avoid suspicion. Phishing attacks often come via email. These emails may contain urgent messages that prompt the recipient to take immediate action, such as verifying their account information or resetting their password. These messages are cleverly crafted to look legitimate. They often use official logos, language, and formatting to mimic real communications from trusted sources. These links may lead to fake websites that are designed to look like the real thing. They may ask for login credentials, credit card numbers, or other sensitive information. These sites mimic legitimate ones so well that even the most cautious users can be fooled. They often use similar URLs and design elements to create a convincing facade. They believe they are on a secure site because these fake websites often display security badges and padlock symbols in the browser address bar, further adding to the illusion of legitimacy. In the realm of cybersecurity, knowledge is power. Ethical hackers play a vital role. They expose vulnerabilities before malicious actors can exploit them. This is where tools like Zphisher come into play. Zphisher is an open-source phishing tool. It is used by security professionals and ethical hackers. It simulates real-world phishing attacks. This allows organizations to test their defenses. It also helps to educate employees about phishing threats. Zphisher is primarily run on Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a Debian-based operating system. It is designed for digital forensics and penetration testing. Installing Zphisher on Kali Linux is straightforward. Open the terminal, type in the command. This will download Zphisher from its GitHub repository. Once downloaded, navigate to the Zphisher directory. Run the command. This will initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts. You will have Zphisher set up on your system. Section 5. Crafting convincing campaigns, baiting the hook. Zphisher offers a range of templates. These mimic popular websites and services. This makes it easy to create convincing phishing campaigns. Choose a template that aligns with your target audience. Customize the template, change the logo, text, and images. Make it look authentic. The goal is to create a believable replica. It should trick users into thinking it's the real deal. Section 6. Launching your simulation, the art of the attack. Once your phishing campaign is ready, it's time to launch. Zphisher offers several deployment options. You can send the phishing emails directly. You can also host the phishing page on a web server. Choose the method that best suits your needs. Remember to inform the target audience. Let them know they are part of a controlled phishing simulation. This is crucial for ethical reasons. Section 7. Analyzing the aftermath. Learning from the trenches. After the phishing simulation, it's time to analyze the results. Zphisher provides detailed logs. These logs show how many users clicked on the phishing link. They also show how many users entered their credentials. This data is invaluable. It helps organizations identify weak points in their security awareness training. It also helps them to improve their overall security posture. Section 8. Kali Linux 2025. A hacker's paradise. Kali Linux 2025 takes ethical hacking to the next level. It introduces new features. It also improves existing tools. These updates enhance the capabilities of security professionals. The new release includes updated versions of popular tools. These tools include Metasploit, Burp Suite, and Nmap. It also includes a range of new tools. These tools are designed for cloud security, mobile forensics, and more. Section 9. Ethical hacking. Guardians of the digital realm. Ethical hacking plays a critical role in cybersecurity. These professionals, often referred to as white hat hackers, use their skills to protect rather than exploit. They are the unsung heroes of the digital age, working tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure our data remains safe and secure. By simulating real-world attacks, ethical hackers help organizations identify and fix vulnerabilities. This process, known as penetration testing, is crucial for uncovering weaknesses before malicious hackers can exploit them. It's a game of cat and mouse, where the stakes are incredibly high. This proactive approach is essential in today's threat landscape. With cyber threats evolving at an unprecedented rate, staying one step ahead is not just beneficial, it's necessary. Ethical hackers are constantly updating their knowledge and techniques to counteract new and emerging threats. Tools like Zphisher empower ethical hackers. These advanced tools allow them to simulate phishing attacks, test security measures, and train employees on how to recognize and respond to potential threats. The right tools can make all the difference in maintaining a robust security posture. They can test and improve security measures. By continuously evaluating and enhancing security protocols, ethical hackers ensure that organizations are not just reactive but proactive in their defense strategies. This ongoing process is vital for maintaining the integrity of sensitive information. This helps to protect sensitive information from falling into the wrong hands. Encryption and other data protection techniques are fundamental in safeguarding personal and corporate data. Ethical hackers play a key role in implementing these measures and ensuring they are effective. As we navigate the complexities of the digital age, ethical hacking will become increasingly important. The digital landscape is ever-changing, and with it, the nature of threats we face. Ethical hackers must anticipate these changes and adapt their strategies accordingly. Embracing these practices is paramount. Organizations must foster a culture of security awareness and continuous improvement. Training and education are key components in this effort, ensuring that everyone, from top executives to entry-level employees, understands their role in maintaining cybersecurity. It ensures a safer and more secure digital world for everyone. By working together and leveraging the expertise of ethical hackers, we can build a resilient digital infrastructure that protects our data, our privacy, and our way of life. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Today, we're diving into the world of hacking gadgets that can hack any device. We're talking about the tools that make you feel like you're in a Mission Impossible movie, except it's real life. And maybe a little less running around in air vents, from messing with your buddy's phone to exposing security flaws in everyday devices. These gadgets are the real deal. We'll be looking at the coolest, most effective, and sometimes downright scary tools out there. Stay tuned to find out which tools make the cut. All right, let's kick things off with a